Hey guys, welcome back. So finally iPhone 12 is launched with an awesome feature and with a design that was loved by every person that was using an iOS device earlier. Okay, that is a box feature which was introduced on iPhone 4S and iPhone 5S. So iPhone 12 is the same design. And guys, until now you must be aware of the basic features of iPhone 12, that is your price, the camera, the battery, right? But in this video I'll be talking about what are the new features, the unique features that are introduced for iPhone 12. I'll be talking about only those features which are not present in earlier models like your iPhone 11 or iPhone 10R. Okay, so I'll be talking about the unique and new feature that are introduced for iPhone 12. So let's get started. So friends, first of all I will talk about the colors the iPhone 12 will be available. So there are 5 colors the iPhone 12 introduced, that is your black, the white, the product red, the green and the blue. These are the 5 color variant the iPhone 12 will be available in the market. I really like the product red color, so I hope so whenever the opportunity comes I will be buying that red one. Let's hope that day comes very soon. So secondly I will talk about something called as a ceramic shield. This is regarding your durability. So this is a layer of crystal within your glass. So basically this will add an extra layer on your iPhone display glass. So this will increase your toughness and durability of your device. Talking about the drop test, Apple said that it has increased or it has got better by 4 times. So it means that there is a 400% increase in the glass performances and the glass durability. The next I will talk about 5G. So finally the iPhone 12 is coming with your 5G network. To support 5G network, the devices are designed with your custom antennas and the radar component, okay, that will be supporting for your 5G on your devices. So the Apple has taken care of everything, taking from your hardware to software. It has optimized your iOS framework that every app can get the benefits of your 5G network and they can work or perform better. So it also introduced something called as the smart data mode. So basically what this does is, so whenever a device doesn't require a 5G network, it will automatically turn on your 4G or a LTE mode on your device. So this way it will save you more power or more battery on your device. And when suddenly whenever there is a 5G requirement, it will automatically turn on to 5G network and get you the 5G experience on your device. Now let's talk about most talked topic, that is your A14 Bionic chip. This is the first smartphone chip built on your 5mm processor technology and it will improve your performances while increasing your energy efficiency of the device. There are 11.8 billion transmitters into a small A14 Bionic chip. Apple says that it is a faster CPU than any other smartphone. In fact, it says that it is a 50% faster than any other CPU or a smartphone chip in the market. And talking about GPU, it says that it is a faster GPU in the market which will be delivering 50% faster graphics on your device as compared to other competition. And now let's jump to the games. So after addition of A14 Bionic chip and the 5G version, this device will become an ultimate beast for your gaming experience. The A14 Bionic chip will deliver amazing gameplay with details, and also the gameplay will be very responsive as compared to the other devices. There has been an addition of a new game, that is your League of Legends Wild Rift. This game has been a global hit which is played by millions of people across your globe. This is the first time this game has been launched on a mobile platform. So with the A14 Bionic chip and the 5G version, the network speed, this game will be a very easy and the very best performing game for the iPhone 12. Lastly, I will talk about MagSafe. This is a new system for improved wireless charging. This is not just about coil improvement for wireless charging, but it is about magnet and sensor that is added to the device. The magnet and sensor which are added to the device, okay, it will automatically sense the magnetic field or a strength and instantly react to that for wireless charging. And this will result in charging your device 50% faster than normal time. There are multiple MagSafe accessories launched by Apple and many more will be coming in future. And MagSafe has made wireless charging the better and faster in my opinion. So friends, these are the only topics which I found to be new or latest for iPhone 12. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.